Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Cheng. I'm a senior lecturer at the Manufacturing Material and Mechatronics Department at RMIT. I'm a senior member of IEEE and I'm a chartered engineer in Information Telecommunications and Electronics Engineering. I serve as associate editors for the IEEE transactions on Circuit and System 2, IEEE SS, and IEICE nonlinear theory and its applications. My research interests include wireless sensor networks, Internet of Things, Industry 4.0 technologies, cloud computing, and additive manufacturing. In my opinion, wireless sensor networks, Internet of Things, and Industry 4.0 are highly related and sometimes can be referring to the same set of hardware. Wireless sensor networks are designed for data collection, which data are normally flow from sensors to a centralized hub. On the other hand, IoT incorporate actuator on top of wireless sensor networks, which allows systems to interact with the physical world. In contrast, Industry 4 is more business and application oriented. Unlike the former industrial revolution, which are all focusing on the adoption of new technologies or management techniques, Industry 4.0 is emphasizing on presenting the relevant data to the right person in real time, such that all the stakeholders can make well-informed business decisions in a timely manner. In order to do that, we will need to have reliable sensing devices and efficient communication networks for real-time data aggregation. My research work have been focusing on developing energy and delay-aware optimization algorithms to address those issues in wireless networks, Internet of Things, and Industry 4.0 system, which are closely aligned with the focus of RMIT Wearables and Sensing Network. An exciting project I'm working on is a series of case studies with local industry, with the aim to help them to develop their own Industry 4.0 systems. Since 2018, I and my research team have been working closely with local industries to understand the difficulties in establishing their own Industry 4.0 information system. In phase one, we spent 6 months to conduct site visits and interviews to understand their needs and the technological hurdles. We realized that what has been slowing them down is due to the fact that Industry 4 is not something you can buy from a store. It has to be customized and tailor-made to fit the need of different industries, which takes time and manpower that most local SME just couldn't afford. It can, of course, be outsourced to external consultancy and system integrator. However, the process will still need to go through several iterations and cost them a lot. Therefore, in phase two of the project, we selected three industries out of the participants in phase one to conduct a more in-depth study with different student projects. The projects have involved more than 100 RMIT students from undergraduate to postgraduate levels across different schools. The projects include designing sensing system for collecting data from the factory floor for lean manufacturing, creating interactive dashboards for synchronizing staff throughout the organization with consistent data, and to use big data analytics and AI technique to create new business cases for the data collected. The outcomes are highly satisfactory and have helped our industrial partners to kickstart their I4.0 journey. The project have also served as models for collaboration between universities and industries. The project is still ongoing as we are developing workshops and training materials for local SMEs to establish their I4.0 systems. My dream project is to apply technologies to solve some timely issues. Taking the recent virus outbreak as an example, we can use sensors and camera to limit the number of workers in the workplace and to check if the workers have been wearing safety gears and masks. We can use wearable devices to track the motion and location of workers inside a building. Together with the ventilation data, we can build simulation models to identify transmission hotspots, and then we can improve the airflow accordingly. We can also use motion capture devices to redesign workers' workflow such that we can minimize human-to-human contact. I'm just excited to see all the potential and opportunity there.